Hello there, guys. It's been such a long time. It's somewhere between 6 and 8 weeks since I've done any work on this thing. So sad. Yeah, been busy. The first reason I stopped working on this was because I had a friend's car come in to do some work on all the front suspension and bushes and all that sort of stuff, and then sort the dashboard out, which I didn't do on camera. And then I had a subscribers mini, which you'll have seen maybe one video of. I've not even got around to editing that yet, so I don't even know if I'm going to make one usable video. But anyway, if you've seen that, you have. If you haven't, then you won't be. Yeah, and then secondly, don't think I've told you guys. Did I tell you guys? I don't know. I'll have to watch it back. Again, I've not edited the last video I recorded, but I've now got a job in mini spares, so that's cool. But that's full time. Not had much time for this recently, and then the weekends I've been tinkering around with old Zippy because he's needed a few bits doing as per. So yeah, I've just had no time for this and no time to make videos, if I'm honest. So yeah, that's where we're at. Anyway, I've already done kind of some sort of an update video, but I can't remember what I said, but bleh. We'll get on to the topic of today. Finally back doing some work on Huey. So, I've already had a friend round today to install an oil pressure gauge in his car, so it is 10 to 5. So, I think the plan will be clean up this weld here, and clean up like a good chunk of the back half of the boot floor, because the front half of it here, this looks rather thin and like it might need just a bit cutting out and a plate going in and make up a new, yeah, we're definitely going to need to make up a new one of those. And also this here under the arch is going to need repair, and also at the other side, same deal, under the arch is going to need repair, and this here. But I want this that we've already done and finished in primer, because, well, it's been 2 months in bare metal and it's starting to go rusty in quite a lot of places. So even though in the last episode I said, oh, I might try and find some time the next day, I didn't find time. Never got round to it. And the same goes for the inside, especially on that patch. It's complete, like, red rust. So, might only get time to do the outside today, but I have a wire wheel. It's a brass sort of coloured one. The guy whose oil pressure gauge I installed just brought me that anyway, because I asked if he had one, because I need one. I meant to get one on the way here today. So anyway, we'll clean up probably all this section here up to the back of the wheel well, around the battery box, and up to about here. And yeah, that'll probably be all we get done today, but progress is progress. I say, it's been too long since I've done anything on this, so something is better than nothing. No time next weekend, as I'm going away for a mini thing, so it's going to be another 2 weeks after today until I get any more time for it as well, which is sad, but again, there we go, life gets in the way. So, enough rambling, enough talking about my life story, let's crack on. Okay guys, so I've spent ages wire wheeling all this up. Obviously we've cleaned off all the black paint on the Magnum panel. Yeah, we've got some cure rust on it as well, and that's where we're going to have to end it today, because we have to wait like 3 hours till you can paint over that. So yeah, we're ending it here for now. Let this cure rust dry, and tomorrow I'm not working on the car. but I'll be passing by here, so I'll just pop in and give this a coat of paint. Despite what I said last time and not doing it, I will, because obviously I've gone to all this effort. I don't want it to go rusty again. So yeah, that is where we are at with it. So I've spent a good nearly couple of hours cleaning all this up anyway. It's horrible to get off this paint. So yeah, there we go. That's where we're at. So I will do quick time lapse of the painting, because I know it's quite satisfying just watching it on the time lapse, just the paint just going over it. So yeah, I'll do that after this outro. There'll be no talking after that, but stick around after this outro to watch the paint go on. So yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Hopefully we'll get another video out soon-ish. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Give us a like if you haven't already. Subscribe. Yep, see you in the next video, guys.